Okay, when we click on a capture button, the software captures exactly what we see in the monitor screen. But if we want to capture a page like this or this that are long, okay, we have to use scrolling window mode. It is here. After selecting this mode and we hit the capture, as you can see, the 3 arrows are displayed on a screen that you can select capture in 3 dimensions. First, vertical scrolling capture mode for most websites and pages that are vertical. Horizontal scrolling mode for pages that are horizontal, and entire scrolling mode is for pages that are in both directions. We use the vertical scrolling area for this website. Click on this arrow, and as you can see, it captured the whole website for us. Okay, back to website, but back to software, but in its settings, there are 2 options. The star at the top left window is for where we are not exactly at the first of page. For example, we are at the bottom of the page. By activating this option, the software goes the first of the page and capture whole page from top to bottom. The software does it automatically. Okay, as you can see, it do it for us automatically. Okay, back to software and scrolling settings. Second, capture active window mode. If enabled, only captures pages and the windows that are active and we are on them, which is better to be inactive. Okay, this is the scrolling window mode that is very useful for long pages.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.